Chapter 1, Mr. Soto's Traditions. Mr. Soto's class is excited. It is time for the winter holidays. A holiday is a special day. People celebrate with parties. Mr. Soto talks about holidays and traditions. A tradition is a special way of doing something. Traditions bring people together. A tradition can come from a culture. Culture is the beliefs and traditions of a group. People have different cultures. People celebrate different holidays. Mr. Soto celebrates New Year's. Many people celebrate New Year's. New Year's traditions are very old. People celebrate New Year's at different times. Some people celebrate in the winter. Some people celebrate in the spring or fall. People celebrate New Year's in different ways. Mr. Soto has a party with his family. He plays games with his friends. Mr. Soto looks at pictures from the year. Mr. Soto eats 12 grapes. This will bring him good luck. Mr. Soto wears a party hat. He watches fireworks. Mr. Soto writes a goal for the year. Holiday traditions bring people together. What holidays do you celebrate? What traditions do you have? Who do you celebrate with?
Get ready.